Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about remaining cell organelles. Okay, in that chloroplast. Chloroplast as known as food producer. Chloroplast also known as food producer. The green organelles present in plant cell. This green organelle is called chloroplast. The green organelles present only in plant cell and absent in animal cell. Chloroplasts are only cell organelles that can produce food from the sun energy. Chloroplasts only able to produce the food from the sun energy. Only plant cells with chloroplast are able to do photosynthesis. Okay, what is photosynthesis? Already you know that. Because they contain the very important green pigment is called chlorophyll. Okay, see, the chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the chloroplast. Okay, chlorophyll can absorb the radiant energy from the sun and convert it into the chemical energy. Chlorophyll able to absorb the sun energy or radiant energy from the sun, and this radiant energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay, this can be used by the plant and animals. This can be used by plants and animals for their growth. Various range of these plastids impart different colors to various parts of plants. What is plastids? Very small particles in the cytoplasm of the plant cell containing pigments. Okay, that is called plastids. Small particles in the cytoplasm of plant cell that containing pigments. That pigments are called plastids. Chromoplast impart color to flower and fruits. Okay, as fruits ripen, the chloroplast change to chromoplast. Before fruit ripen, that is green in color because of chloroplast. As fruits ripen, that change to chromoplast. Okay, the chloroplast change to chromoplast. The same time, the starch is converted into sugar. The starch is converted into sugar. Next organ, Golgi complex. Golgi complex. Membrane founded sacs or stalk on top of the other with associated secretory vesicles or collectively known as Golgi complex. Okay, the membrane wounded sacs or stalked on top of the other with associated secretory vesicles or collectively known as Golgi complex. Okay, so the many more vesicles are collectively known as Golgi complex. Functions of Golgi complex are production of secretion substance, packaging and secretion. Secretory substance, packaging and secretion. This is the secret behind the change into color and taste of fruits. This is the secret behind the changes in the color and taste of fruits. Next, very smallest cell organ is lysosome. Lysosome, also known as suicidal bag, which are very small to view using a light microscope, that is called lysosome. Okay, which are very small to view using a light microscope. The smallest organ is called lysosome. The lysosomes are main digestive compartment of the cell. The lysosomes are the main digestive compartment of the cell. They lyse a cell. The lysosomes are lyse a cell, so they are called suicidal bag. Lyse means destroy. They are destroy a cell. The lysosomes are destroy a cell, so the lysosomes are called suicidal bag of the cell. The next cell organelle is centriole. Next one, centriole. They are generally found close to the nucleus. They are generally found close to the nucleus and are made up of tube-like structure. The centrioles are made up of tube-like structures. Centrioles are centrosomes. Centrioles, otherwise known as centrosomes, are present only in animal cell and absent in plant cell. The centrioles present only in animal cell and absent in the plant cell. It helps in the separation of chromosomes during the cell division. The centrioles help in the separation of chromosomes during the cell division in the animal cell. Next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is an internal membranous network made up of flat or tubular sacs within the cytoplasm. Okay, it is an intermembranous network made up of flat or tubular sacs within the cytoplasm. The endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. The endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. There are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulums are two types. There are rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulums are rough due to the ribosomes attached to the membrane. The rough endoplasmic reticulums are rough due to ribosomes attached to the membrane, which helps in the synthesis of protein. Okay, the ribosomes helps in the synthesis of protein. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of tubular sacs without ribosomes on the membrane. So, this endoplasmic reticulum is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They play a role in the synthesis of lipids, steroids, and also transport them within the cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, a network of tubular sacs without ribosomes on the membrane. They play a role in the synthesis of lipids, steroids, and also transport them within the cell. So, rough endoplasmic reticulum are very rough due to the ribosomes attached to the membrane. Smooth endoplasmic reticulums is very smooth because there is no ribosomes attached on the membrane. Okay, the rough endoplasmic reticulum helps to synthesize the protein. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps to synthesize the lipid, steroid, and also transport them within the cell. Next, a very important cell organelle is nucleus. This is very important cell organelle, that is nucleus. The nucleus also known as brain of the cell. The nucleus also known as brain of the cell. Plant and animal cells have a nucleus inside the cytoplasm. Plant and animal cells have a nucleus inside the cytoplasm. It is surrounded by a nuclear envelope. It is surrounded by a nuclear envelope. So, nuclear envelope means nuclear membrane. One or two nucleolus and the chromatin body are present inside the nucleus. One or two nucleolus and the chromatin bodies are present inside the nucleus. During the cell division, the chromatin body is organized into a chromosomes. During the cell division, the chromatin body is organized into a chromosome. Storage of genetic materials and transfer heredity characters from generation to generation are the functions of chromosome. What is the function of chromosome? Storage of genetic material and transfer heredity characters from generation to generation. This is the function of chromosome. Functions of nucleus. Functions of nucleus. It controls all the processes and chemical reactions that takes place inside the cell. Okay, all the processes and chemical reactions, all the one controlled by nucleus in the cell. So only this is called brain of the cell. Inheritance of character from one generation to another. Transfer of character from one generation to another. Do you know? Red blood cells do not contain a nucleus. Red blood cells do not contain a nucleus. Other type of cells all the one contain nucleus except red blood cells. Without a nucleus, these cells die quickly. The red blood cells dies quickly because there is no nucleus. About 2 million red blood cells die every second. About 2 million red blood cells die every second. Luckily, the body produces new red blood cells every day. Dear students, first lesson is completed. I am going to give answers for book back questions. You should copy down in your class of note. Thank you.